Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. Now this week I've got that rare and unusual beast of a commission. That's right, somebody actually wants to pay me to do something. So other than YouTube, that's actually quite a turn up for the books. So yeah, I got in contact with this guy and he said he's got a thing called a MiSTer system, which is a multi-cade system. And as you can see in the background, I'm a big fan of arcades and I love old retro gaming. What a MiSTer does is it allows you to play loads of different games from loads of different systems using SCART connections, using HDMI connections, using composite, using components, and you can always even plug certain cartridges into it. But basically, because it's so open source, it all comes as just PCBs. So there's no case for it, there's no protection of it, no dust covers. It's just PCBs, and you buy different ones for different systems. So this guy's gone out and bought loads and loads of these PCBs, but he needs a case for it. And I had a dig around on Thingiverse and printables, and on printables I found a MiSTer System 2002 case. And this thing looks absolutely great. It's fully printable, it all screws together, and you put your PCBs inside and it keeps them safe from dust and goo and Cheeto dust covered fingers, which apparently is a gaming thing. I don't know. I've never eaten a Cheeto. So I downloaded this and I have gone ahead and printed it. We're going to paint it, we're going to assemble it, and we're going to see how this thing works and how good it looks. So let's get on there and get ourselves a MiSTer system cover. Before we do, however, thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. There are thousands of you now. Welcome to the 3D printed home retro arcade, which is 3D printed soup. Keep your Cheeto encrusted fingers off my PCBs. Let's go ahead and give this a print. And with that painted and assembled, it's looking absolutely fantastic. And yeah, I hope the guy I'm printing it for really enjoys it. It's given it a lovely Pfizer feel from the game Wipeout, which is one of his favourites. And yeah, I've got some wonderful vinyl stickers here that just went over it beautifully. And yeah, look at the PCB at the back there. All the connections you could ever possibly want. So yeah, let's hope he loves this and enjoys it as much as I enjoyed building it. All the files I used can be found in the link below to the fantastic guys who designed this. Thank you very much for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy, stay safe. Keep MiSTering.